Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy XCover 5, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in this smartphone. So at the first, let's grab your box with tempered glass, open it. Inside you will find tempered glass, 2 wipes, wet and dry. And in some cases you will also get additional stickers to take off a piece of the dust from the screen, but in this case I don't have them, but you can use something like duct tape, it will also work. So right now you have to prepare a good source of light to see every mess that you have on the screen, and start cleaning with wet wipe. So let's open it. And remember to reach every corner. You can make it in the circle, put it on another side, and right now it looks definitely better, as you can see. So we can move for dry wipe. Okay, and as you can see right now our display looks really good, and we can start with the tempered glass. So we have to remove the sticker, so make it like that, and right now put it for upper section of your display and keep holding the bottom part, just like that. And right now we can put the bottom part also. You can press with your finger on the middle of the glass, and it will go automatically. As you can see, when you get here the bubbles, you can remove them with your fingernail on the both sides. Okay, and as you can see right now, the installation process is finished and we can use our device. As you can see, there's no problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass on the display in the smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.